Okay, I want to talk you through how to track a quiz using your Facebook Pixel in 2022. Since the recent Facebook update where you can't track across third parties, you can no longer track through a quiz that's hosted on any third party, including Interact Quiz Builder. But there's a great workaround that gets you all the information that you need, and this is what this video is about. The important elements that you're going to want to track are who sees your quiz, who starts your quiz, and who finishes your quiz / which result they're getting so that you can retarget based on which result they get. I want to take you through an example of how this works. This is Primarily Pure. On their site, they have their own URL here. So primarily.pure.com/pages/find-your-skin-state. This is where they have the cover page of their quiz, which is on their own site. When you click this Take the Quiz button, the URL is now going to change. That's how they're going to be able to track who starts the quiz. You'll notice the Interact quiz is embedded here starting on the first question. Now, in order to do that, in Interact, when you publish your quiz, you'll go to Publish It, Publish Your Changes, choose the JavaScript Embed option, and then you're going to choose Disable Cover Page on Quiz. That's how you're going to embed it starting on the first question. So that's what we have here. Now, once I go through this quiz, I'm just going to answer these questions really quickly so that we can get through it. I'm not going to take the quiz for real right now. Once we get through it, then the results are going to redirect to landing pages on the Primarily Pure site, and there's going to be a different page for each outcome. So I'm going to go ahead and test. No, see my results. Okay, now you'll see that I got pages/balance-skin result equals true. So now this is a different URL, and I can have my Facebook pixel here because it's on my own domain, and I can track which result someone got, and then I can send follow-ups and retargeting ads based on this. So this is very important. Now the way you're going to do that in Interact is by redirecting your results. So I'm going to go back to my What's Your True Skin Type quiz, click Edit, and then I'm going to redirect my results, and then I have these redirected to my own landing pages here so that I can then have that go to my own site. So that's how that's going to work. And that way you can track who sees your quiz, who starts it, and which result they get through your Facebook pixel. I'll also link this Primarily Pure quiz because it's a very great quiz and you should go take it and maybe buy their products. Although we have no affiliation with them other than they are a great customer of ours and they have this quiz set up really great. So that's how you're going to track your Facebook pixel through your Interact quiz.